Hi and welcome to Penser Bank. My name is Markus Almerud. I'm an analyst here at the bank. Today we're going to talk about Zwipe. So Zwipe is supplying biometric payment cards and biometric access cards that are built on the same platform and that are verified by MasterCard and Visa. Our fair value range is 10.7 to 10.9 Norwegian krona, but note that this is not adjusted for the upcoming rights issue. The share price is around 1. So the investment case in short is that they are ready to commercialize its product. We see growing momentum in access cards at relatively low risk, and we see huge potential in biometric payment cards. In pay, they have over 50 ongoing discussions that should result in good revenue momentum in coming quarters. In access, they have a number of major corporations doing pilots, which should also drive revenues in 2024. The announced rights issue will secure financing through at least 2024. So we're here today to give an update after the announcement of the rights issue. We will talk about the status in access, the status in pay, and the financial situation and the background for the rights issue. So when it comes to access, security concerns remain at the top of corporate's agenda. Anecdotal evidence include the famous Swedish think tank whose interviews showed that this is the #1 topic for almost all companies in Sweden. The increased geopolitical landscape has put items such as access control front and center. Biometric access cards make GDPR compliance easier, but it has also shown that it helps comply with EU's NIS2, the directive for cybersecurity. The company has signed several partnerships with corporations such as Schneider Electric, McDean and AWT, and pilots are ongoing with Berkshire Hathaway Energy, one of the United States' largest electricity group, one of the top 3 global providers of cloud and data centers, and is being tested at the headquarters for global top 100 tech companies in Sweden, among others. It's very likely that some of these pilots will convert into orders in coming quarters. When it comes to pay, the takeoff of biometric payment cards has taken longer than expected. But there are signs that we are getting there. But let's turn back the clock a bit before we talk about these signs. Why do we remain believers in biometric payment cards? Well, mostly because all parts of the value chain are pushing for this to happen, and they have invested significantly to get where we are today. It's logical that we go from generation 2, contactless, to generation 3 biometric cards. Now, Zwipe had 2 commercial launches in the second quarter with Kuwait International Bank and Middle East Payment Services, which has sparked further interest in the region. Discussions about soft launches rather than pilots are ongoing. They have signed over 20 partnerships that have resulted in over 50 conversations with potential issuers. Again, it's highly likely that some of these will lead to orders in coming quarters. So this summer, Zwipe announced a cost savings program, which should decrease cost by 40% in the second half versus the first half. We should see full impact as we go into 2024. Cash burn in the third quarter was 9 million a month, but they should decrease to 5 to 6 million as we enter 2024. With 48 million in cash before the rights issue, we believe that there is enough cash to drive the business through 2024. And as discussed, commercial breakthrough and the ramp up of revenues should be imminent. We think that this has led to focus in the debate having turned on the upcoming rights issue, which we think has meant that the operational progress have been lost in translation. So Zwipe has considerable operational momentum at the moment. In pay, they have over 50 conversations ongoing. In access, they have pilots with very large corporations. Both of these should lead to revenues ramping up in coming quarters. With financing secured, we think that the debate will turn from the financing to operational matters, and this should be positive for the share. Thank you.